Hello, every friend. I am Solaivan. I'm so proud to be here. So today I'm going to show you about how to download video on YouTube, not use any program. This way only use website to download. It is easy way to download. So I think many friends already know about this way, but I only show to someone not know yet. So let's be going to download together. The first you going to open your internet or Wi-Fi like this, okay, and then you go to Google Chrome. You open Google Chrome and you also file like this, and you going to YouTube, okay. So you have to waiting me because right now my internet is very slowly, so we use the time to web internet. Okay, now it so file like this, and you have to choose video you want to download right now. So for example, I want to download this video, right? So I download this video, I click sign in to this video. Okay, web because internet very slowly. Okay, now you copy this link. Alright, you copy this link like this. Copy, right, copy here. And you go to new file. Right, you open new file like this. And you write down here, download MP3 HD from YouTube. Okay, after you write down here like this, download MP3 HD from YouTube, you have to enter. Okay, now have many websites to download, to sign in to download video, and you can sign in to every website to download your video, but I usually use this video is easily to download. And you go to sign into this website, you to download the video and audio from YouTube. Okay, we click here. Okay, now you click mouse on here, then you control V on keyboard of your computer, right? You control V, okay, you control V, then you copy already first will show on here, and you go to use this. And so for example, we use this MP3, right? So we click download here. internet very slow, so waiting me a little bit. Okay, right now you click download mp3. Okay, click here. Okay, now it is starting to download. Okay, you waiting it until finish this download. You can go to open your video. Okay, so the way to use website to download video on YouTube, I just show you or tell you or finish like this. If you don't understand some step, you can comment to my channel, to my video here, and you can contact me. I will tell you and show you more until you understand to download. I think it's easily to download. Do not use any plugin, just only use website to download video on YouTube, right? So right now that's so I thank you very much for your watching my video the first until the end. Thank you.